Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is gonna be kind of an all over the place video, and I apologize about that. I fucked up with just how confusing it is, so I'm going back and re-editing it, so I apologize for the confusion. But I want to put a little note about some things that I changed about the packing with me for Katsu. Number one is the Doc Martens that you see me put in there. I'm not bringing those anymore. I was gonna wear them on the plane. I'm not dealing with that. I am bringing nice shoes for Katsu that are gonna be for everyone, but I'll hate them. They are a lot comfier. And I'm already traveling a lot. I already have to deal with so much. I don't want to deal with taking those off during the TSA. Okay, I don't. They're a pain. So those shoes, ignore them. Next thing, I added a cosplay. You will see it, but I'm not putting audio of me speaking about it. I'm bringing Sanji. He is my backup cosplay. So you will be seeing him entering in, and he's being packed with Dalzai stuff. So so that was about the packing stuff, and now I'm going to talk about a few things that I'm going to be doing for the next few videos, just because it is gonna be a bit later, kind of like my I'll hate them stuff was. Sorry. Stuff was going on. Shit was happening, okay? But first things first, I come back Monday. I'm not gonna have the Katsu vlog ready for Tuesday, so I apologize about that. I will be hoping to have it out for Wednesday, and then I will have another video of my Katsu haul when I come back. So it will be a Katsu vlog and a Katsu haul the same week, hopefully Wednesday, Friday. Those are going to be the next two videos. After that, there might be two more that will be planned out that are going to be from this time that I am gone. And that is going to be a regular vlog of me just outside of Katsu, getting ready for it, and like airport, stuff like that. The next one would be the background. Just fixing it, making it look prettier, because it looks very bare and I'm sad. I'm sad, okay? And then in that same video would probably be an update of what my desk looks like, because I haven't really showed you guys what that looks like. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update of what's going to be happening in the video and what's going to be happening after this video. So, and I should mention, the reason why the Katsu vlog will not be out on Tuesday is because I'm not bringing my fucking laptop. I already have too much other shit to bring. Too much. So much. I'm not doing it, okay? I'm sorry. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And I'm so sorry for the long intro, but I did have to explain some stuff away, so thank you and enjoy. was a lot easier. Coin. Can you say hi? Okay. I need to start filming my intros and outros ahead of time and just get those done. If you can't tell, I forgot to film the outro, so here it is for you. Anywho, I hope you guys liked the video. Please, please, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hated that. I'm so sorry. I'm keeping that in. That's fucking... that was funny to me. I'm sorry. But please do like, comment, and subscribe. It does help out the channel and it helps me get out there more. Reminder, guys, Katsu vlog will be out late next week, but I cannot wait to film it. I cannot wait to share my experiences with con with you guys. Truly cannot wait, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!